How to create ChatGTP account on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account for ChatGTP. So guys, here basically before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do to create an account or to use chat GTP, you just need to go to Google, and here you have to search for chat GTP. Okay, after searching this type of interface will be pop up. So the first one, as you can see here, Open AI introducing chat GTP. Just you need to tap on this option, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. Introducing ChatGTP, we have tried a model called Chat, which introduces conversion. Okay, if you wanna read up, you can read up. And to try it out, what to create an account, you just need to click on this Try ChatGTP. Okay, just tap here, and it will redirect you to this page. So here it is written, "Welcome to ChatGTP. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue." So if you have a OpenAI account, you just need to click on login option, and if you don't have, then you have to click on sign up. So here I'm very fresh on it, so I'm going to sign up. So just click on sign up, and then it will redirect you to another page. So here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So you have to enter your email address, and then here you can see continue. Just tap on continue, and then here you have to enter some password. Okay, so let me just enter my password here. I mean, like, you can say the password here. Okay, so guys, I have successfully entered my password, and your passport must contain at least 8 characters. Okay, so click on continue option, and then it will again redirect you to another page. So until that, please subscribe to the channel, and please give up one thumbs up so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos. So you can see here, verify you are a human. Just tap here, and then it's done. So by stand, just hold on for some time. Verify your email. So what you need to do is that you have to go back to your email. Okay, Gmail. So here you can see Gmail. Just go on it, and you can see here on the top, Open AI verify your email. Simply click here, and here you can see verify email address. Simply click on it, and then hold on. You can see here it will redirect you in another page again. So here you can see you have to enter tell us about you. So you have to enter your name. So let me just enter my name here, and then click on continue option. You have to add your phone number also, so let me just enter. Okay, do you have WhatsApp? If you have WhatsApp, just click on yes, and then send code via WhatsApp or send via SMS instead. So it's up to you. You can choose anyone. If you want a verification code on WhatsApp, you can click on send code via WhatsApp, or if you want in SMS, then click on send via SMS instead. Simply click on send via SMS. I will take on SMS. So here you have to wait for your OTP, like your verification code. Just hold on. Here you can see I have successfully got my code 4359, sorry, 435914. Okay, you can see here it's verifying. So here you can see I have successfully created an account. This is a free research review. Our goal is to go next channel. You can, if you want to read this description, you can go for it. I will click on next option, go for next, done. So guys, here you can just ask whatever you would like to ask here. So this is how you can create ChatGTP account. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.